Ya gani ke jingelang reverse buyer seller meet lepli do menteri rang ba ke jela konrad kongkal sangma. Haga bau leplat pad baru ya ke syap jong ka mega rise pada ke state level MSME portal. Haga jingedan lang usumbut menteri rang ba ke jela ba asnyaw balang dhar u chief secretary ke jela Dr. Shakil P Ahmed knomi khmat jong ke FIEO ka neha mera bat kinong thiet ki bami khmat giri beper. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ba ajeng kran belapan pau bagalong ke klemat ke besnu sarong om tang ya ke jela megalaya. Ndaya ke than chite lam ni hi barok away badula banjor bakum kini ke jingshim khia ki degi bapen mi ki babon ki senjam. Bat ke jinge trailang ke bande aslam ha ke jaka bagan Shillong ke bat long tangkum kedak jong ke jinge don lang. Ulang baga megalaya kala pendo no ya palat saus pa ki jingte aperkeng ki bagantop ya ke bala jankot syaki nyo potli ki bedi kendon ki beyadai ba ka kambala ba lawan ra ya ka Unified Investor Portal ban kenya renti ki kam ban ajing bet. Ula kedoro bahalor ke jingsalan sabari kom usotrun ublayo ya kesernot ban salan sabari. Da ki jahat bat ke jepun wandur ya ki muslim musla de self help group ki bala penyat da ki long keme.
And the northeastern regions as a whole. A reverse buyer seller meet is fundamentally different from conventional exhibitions or trade fairs. While exhibitions primarily focus on display and promotions, an RBSM is a structured, outcome-oriented platform designs to facilitate direct business-to-businesses engagement. Here, international buyers are invited to the states, matched with identified sellers and provided a focused environment for discussions on product specifications, quality, standard pricings and volumes, and long-term sourcing arrangement.